So family friends, and welcome to my channel. This is your girl Chelle Donald with Chelle Donald LLC, and today's video is a mini a mini fabric haul. Okay, the fabric that I have recently purchased, I purchased like 3 yards of some assorted knit fabric from Walmart. You know, I usually purchase my fabric from various stores, but two of my fabrics came from Joanns. The other 3 fabrics came from Walmart. So let's go ahead and jump right into this mini fabric haul because I also have a sweet treat for you guys before the end of this video. All right, the first fabric that I have is 3 yards that I purchased for $6. It's $6. It's an assorted knit fabric. Y'all know I'm the queen of knits, and I'm back to dealing with knit. Basically, I haven't opened it yet, but I have a plan for this, and I'm going to tell you guys after I finish telling you all the fabric that I have. But I know it has 4-way stretch, very stretchy. Very versatile. Got it for $6. And you can't beat that. 3 yards for $6. You really can't beat that, y'all. It's really beautiful. Alright, the next 2 fabrics that I have are 2 yards for $2. I bought 2 bundles. It's real, giving me fall vibes. These are my favorite colors, actually. It's giving me real fall vibes. It's also a woven fabric. It also has 2-way stretch. And it's beautiful. Like this. It's going to be beautiful. I plan to. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and jump into it because this is not only a mini fabric haul, this is also my Sewtember sewing plans as well. So what I plan to do with these 2, I plan to make an actual cardigan out of these. I only need 1 bundle for it, but I might make a cardigan and probably some shorts or some leggings to go with it. Who knows? So the next fabric I have is, I know it's about only 1 yard. It's this hot pink fabric. It's stretch. It's actually in the apparel section at Joanns. It's stretched, so it's like swimwear and for apparel use only. So technically what I do, I'm making exotic wear out of this because I have an exotic wear line too. So I'm making dance wear out of this basically. Next fabric that I have, which is last but not least, is beautiful honey mustard colored fabric. I got I know I had got like 3 or 4 yards for this because I had did a swimsuit for a client. One of my prestigiously favorite clients, and this happens to be one of them. It stretches 4 ways. It's so beautiful. I love it. It's soft, smooth, and soft on the skin. Real dope. And I plan to. I'm making dance wear out of this, but I'm also going to make probably, if not another cardigan, probably another pair of shorts. All right. So let's go ahead and jump into my Sewtember sewing plans. The sewing plans for this month is this fabric. The first fabric that I showed you guys is assorted knit fabric. I'm going to make, where is that pattern at? Excuse me 1 second. All right. I am going to make Mimi G Styles S8830. I'm going to make version A out of this. And this will be the first sewing tutorial for this month. So it'll be in the next 2 days. I will be filming it possibly tomorrow. And then I will be giving you guys a pattern haul on the remaining patterns that I do have that I haven't given you a pattern haul on. So stay tuned, you guys. So yeah, I'm going to make Simplicity pattern S8830 out of this beautiful fabric. I have more than enough fabric for this. And it's also going to be, I have snaps for it. So I will be doing a well-detailed, instructed video, in-depth video on this pattern. Also, it will be my first time doing this pattern because I haven't opened it yet. It's a lot of patterns that I haven't opened yet and that I haven't jumped around to. But I'm definitely going to make this my first one for the month. Happy Sewtember, everybody. And if you aren't in the challenge, it's BMM Sewtember. That's the hashtag. So that's for Black Makers Matter. Y'all stay tuned for that as well. I'm dropping a video on that. I also will be I'm finna drop the video for my Facebook sewing group. So you guys can join, you spread the word, get it out there. But without further ado, that will be the first sewing tutorial. The second tutorial that I will be doing is for the Cricut. I will be doing a wine glass, and I will be doing the vinyl, the permanent vinyl that goes on the wine glass. I have to go purchase my wine glass tomorrow so I can do it because I don't have any plain wine glasses. All my wine glasses have designs on them. So I'm going to do that step by step. Third video for this week will be me cleaning my Cricut mats. I will give you Cricut hacks on how to clean your mats and how to get them to be restickable. So stay tuned for that. Everything will be dropping these next couple weeks, but this week I'm gonna finish out with 3 videos, and then next week I'm gonna come back and give y'all a couple more videos. So every week something will be dropping, whether it's 1 video or 2 videos. Everything will be dropping back to back consistently. Also, let me see what other fabric that I did buy. Okay, I bought some more fabric, but you already probably seen this fabric before. But I just Hobby Lobby has restocked all sports teams fabric. The one where I'm at in Columbus, Georgia. We have Auburn, we have, which one was it? Alabama, and we have the Atlanta Braves. And this is some more fabrics, but I mainly went for this because I have a client order that needs this, and I got about 2.5 yards of this fabric. This other fabric is for another client, which is this fabric. It's the glittery fabrics for a skater dress that I'm about to do. And it's about 2 yards of this. And as you can see, this is the little void receipt, as you can see. But yeah, that's all the fabric that I have. That is my Sewtember plans. If you like the content that I am making, I need you to hit that subscribe button below. And if you want to see when my next video will be coming out, hit that bell, make that bell ring so you can get all of my notifications of when the next couple of videos will be coming out or when I post another video, because sometimes I will be going live. Please let me know, comment below. Tell me what other videos you would like to see, what you would like a tutorial on, or drop your questions below. Tell me what, ask questions. Be interactive. So, just let me know, you guys. And on that note, this is Chelle Donald signing out. Peace.